Hey guys, now we are going to see how you can create your own QR code using a PowerPoint presentation. The QR code, this is the code which acts as a digital referencing system where we use the camera to scan the code and the camera presents what the code stands for. Now let's start. You just type the PowerPoint, open the PowerPoint presentation, then let's just choose the blank slide. Choose blank slide, this one. Now everything we are going to do here is to insert the QR code by using this one, insert, and choose these add-ins. It means it is the Microsoft Office add-ins. Now choose get add-ins. Make sure you have the internet connection. Then from the store you choose this one, QR code. Then after you insert it or add, this is the QR code. Now the URL or the link, just have to copy the link and paste the link in this row. Just go and take your link and copy and paste it. Then we can adjust the size of the code like this one, and also change its background. You can also change its color, code the color. Everything here is possible. Now after you finish all your design, you insert it. You look, our code is generated. You can choose how it will look like. Let's say our code will look like this one. It will be like this one. Make sure these all we did act at the time you have an internet connection, where you simply just click on insert, then get Office add-ins, and just type QR code. Then find the QR code, this one, and add it. Thank you. This is how I make a QR code using PowerPoint. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and comment. Each suggestion from you would be helpful for us to grow our channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.